Hello dear students, I am back with my new video which is conversion of logic gate. Its first part we have done in which we have discussed how to manufacture basic logic gates, which is AND, OR and NOT. In this video we will discuss how to manufacture other gates with the help of NAND gate, and in the second part of this video I will let you know how to manufacture NAND gate with the help of NOR gate. So as usual, let us start with the famous quote, which is, when we do our work with complete honesty, magic happens. Friends, I have numerous examples in my life in which I have done my work with complete honesty, and the result I have produced, it is exponential, because Almighty Lord take care of us and we excel in that particular sphere of life as well as work. So let us come to our topic, which is NAND gate as a universal gate. That I have told you earlier that if you manufacture NAND gate, then it can be used to construct all other gates, which is AND, OR and NOT. Same with NOR gate. So let us revise what is a NAND gate. So NAND gate is a 2 input 1 output gate, and it is a NOT of AND gate. This we have done earlier. It is a NOT of AND gate, okay, and it is 2 input 1 output logic gate. NAND gate as a NOT gate. In this we will just short circuit the 2 input to produce the 1 output, and we are short circuiting means 2 inputs are only possible, that is 0 and 1. Let us see, if we will give A as 0, then A dash will also be 0 and B dash will also be 0. 0, 0, the answer of NAND gate is 0, 0 is 1. So, Y we have produced 1. Similarly, if we will give input as A as 1, then A dash will also be 1 and B dash will also be 1. 1, 1, the answer will be in the NAND gate will be 0. So we can look at the output. It is 1 and 0, means if we are giving input as 0, the answer is 1. If we are giving input as 1, the answer is 0. So it is acting as a NOT gate, hence our desired objective is completed. Similarly, NAND gate as a AND gate. In the previous slide, we have discussed that NOT gate, and we have manufactured this by short circuiting these 2 input. तो अगर NAND का NOT कर दें friends, then answer हमारा AND gate ही आएगा. We will get the AND gate. Let us see, verify this by our truth table. So 0, 0, NAND में answer क्या आता था 1, but here we have negated the output. So answer will be 0. 0, 1, NAND में answer आता था 1, but due to negation the answer will be 0. 1, 0, NAND में answer आता था 1, but due to this negation the output will again be 0. And 1, 1, NAND में answer आता था 0, but due to this negation the answer will be 1. If we will just precisely look these 4 input outputs, then we will see these are the outputs of a AND gate, and our objective was to implement NAND gate as AND gate. So it is, I think, clear, all of you. Then the third logic gate, we have to first understand the manufacturing Boolean algebra principle. So Boolean algebra, friends, first we have to understand what is a OR gate. OR gate is addition of 2 inputs. This we have done, I think, numerous times. So we can write addition of 2 input in this form also. Negation of A twice and negation of B twice. Okay? And by the concept of Boolean algebra, we can write negation of A plus will be changed to multiplication sign and negation of B and whole bar. Okay? Means complement of A multiplied by complement of B into a NAND gate. Let us see. So here complement of A, then complement of B into a NAND gate. Okay. Let us verify this via truth table. 0 0 we have given. ठीक है, 0 0 answer is 1. 0 0 the answer is 1. 1 1 the answer will be 0. So 0 0 we have given, the answer is 0. Then 0 0 0 the answer is 1. 1 1 the answer will be 0. 1 0 1 0 को NAND में करेंगे तो answer will be again 0. Okay, so second is also verified. Okay, then third input we will take 1 1. 1 1 the answer in AND gate it will be 1, but NAND gate it will be 0. So 1 1 का आंसर आया 0. 0 0 का आंसर आया 1. ओके, 1 0 1 0 1 को करेंगे तो आंसर विल बी 1. लेट अस सी. ठीक है, आंसर इज 1 ओवर हियर. ठीक है, इनपुट वी हैव गिवन A as 0 and B as 1. सिमिलरली 1 1 1 1 का आंसर NAND में 0, 1 1 का 0, 0 0 का क्या है, इट विल बी 1. लेट अस वेरीफाई, इट इज 1. So friends, our desired objective of construction of all the universal gate with the help of NAND gate is completed. In the second video, we will do NAND representation of a NOR gate. Till then, thank you, have a nice day, and constructive feedback are always welcome. Thank you for your patient listening.